Gang, and we back with another one. So I'm surprised at y'all. I'm really surprised. You mean to tell me out of everybody who was guessing what was in that box, did nobody get it right? Really? Alright. So I'm gonna show you what's in the box. And since did nobody win, we gonna hold that money, and next time I get another box, as they always come, and it's a good one, we'll keep it going. I'ma cash out somebody that money. I really can't believe none of y'all got it right. So I'm gonna show y'all what they sent me. Boom. You know this. You know what this is. 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 It's the Mac Mini, my Apple. Come on, man. I said it in all the vlogs. I need one more thing to complete my studio. I said in like the third or fourth vlog, I need a Mac Mini. So today we unboxing the Mac Mini. So we gonna get right into it. That's what we gonna do. I ain't never got a knife. I want y'all to send me a knife in a box so I can unwrap this. Let me unwrap this and we'll take it out. We'll get right into it. I finally got the wrapper off and I'm gonna show y'all what it is. But because it's for the studio, let's drop a track right now. Now let's see what we got in here. Ooh, look at her. Look at her. This is gonna fit right in my studio. I needed something small. I didn't want to go with a laptop. As you know, I have a MacBook Pro, but my son is using it. So I'm going for the desktop look. I'm gonna go see if I can get it out of here. Oh, listen to it. It's wonderful. It's talking to me.
Living.
So as you can see, we got the Mac Mini, and before I hook it up to the studio, as I told you, I got an 8 gig inside. I went on Amazon, which I'm going to show you, and I bought a 64 RAM to install myself. But this is something I do want to show people because I ran into this situation, and like I said, I had the Mac Mini for a week and I couldn't even install it. I couldn't even use it because I want to upgrade the RAM. But the problem I ran into was I had went out and bought tools to open up the Mac Mini. The situation I ran into was I needed a T6 with the little hole in it. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'm gonna try to make it focus. It probably won't focus. But there's a tiny little hole. You probably can see, you probably can't. Tiny little hole that you need is a T6. It's best to just order this by itself. But also, if you don't have house tools, you're gonna need something like this with the hole in it for these. So I end up buying like this, and I bought that other little set, that iFixit set. I think you need that, you know, especially if you're gonna be doing stuff like this. But the iFixit set, the one I bought on Amazon, had a T6, but didn't have the one with the hole in it, which was making things difficult for me. So I went on there and I bought this one, which is a T6 with the hole in it. And this got the magnetic, because the screws are small, and I did drop 2 screws, but I found them, luckily. You need to buy one of these, man. Check that out. See, they got the holes in them. I'll pull them out for you. I only end up needing the tops, but you end up using like a T6, a T5. See the holes right there? That T6 is this one. No, it's a T5. T6 is this one. You end up using the T5, the T6, and a T10. Now I'm gonna show you. That's what I said. If you got some household stuff, you know, you just boom. There you go. But these are not magnetic, so that's why I said it's best to order these. Order this set with the holes in it, and you can put T6 with the hole in it, just like that, on Amazon, and it'll pop up. And I think I paid like $8 for this. It's like 12 altogether. And then you need this. This is the mother sucker. This gonna make everything cool. Now, I watched the video when I did mine's. Kind of like, so I really couldn't record it and show you, but I did take pictures to show you that I did take mine apart. and I did put the RAM in there. So we went from an 8. Remember I said on Apple, 8 was free, and I think for the 64 they charging like $1,000. You go on Amazon, you can get 64 for like 3. I paid like 300, and then like I said, I put it in there myself, so I saved myself like $600, $700. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, it ain't really hard, bro. It took me like 20 minutes. Everything real simple. It booted up, everything is fine, and studio is complete. So, you know, this video was like short of an unboxing, but at the same time, I definitely wanted to include this information in there because a lot of people gonna see that Mac Mini upgrade with the RAM. It's not soldered in, and you're gonna want to take it apart, and you really can. Like I said, I'm no expert, bro, but this mother sucker here, see it say T6 on it? This helped everything. So, you know, this is the main piece you need, and then this helped me. This is, like I said, I got household tools, so this helped me for these little sockets. And the other little sockets that you use are not gonna work. These all got the little 5-star hole in them. Now, what these are called are they're called security torque. These are called security torque, and these are pretty much what you need. This is what they use for all Apple products. Put you on game. So for like your iPhone and stuff, you know what I'm saying? That's what they use. They using these, and that's how you pop them bad boys in there. See, they all got the holes in them because it's a 5-star, like a 5-star, and then it's got like a little bitty hole that kind of sits in the center. And you put that in there, you know, twist, and it come up. It's up. It's open. I was in there, bro. I was in there. And like I said, I'm gonna show the video, not the video, I'm gonna show the pictures I got just so y'all can see what that's like, what it looks like in the inside, and if I can do it, you can do it. So that's pretty much it, man. I just want to show y'all that the studio is complete. I am done. Only thing I need to do now is put a little money together, man. And if y'all watching this video, I'm gonna get that. I appreciate that. And then I got about a programs now for Logic, and I think it's another one I want called Omniness or something like that. It's another program with a bunch of sounds and stuff like that. And we pretty much making beats, bro. Well, like I said, the LLC is finished and the studio is complete, and everything that I was trying to do during this pandemic is done, man. Like I said, believe in yourself and just keep working hard and keep doing what you're doing. I will be dropping songs and beats as, you know, the vlogs are going to change, you know. But I'm putting everything all in one. As far as Sick Whips World, I think I'm just gonna be putting that on Silk Living also. You know what I'm saying? I'll make another category for that, and I'll probably just put Sick Whips. This is Living. It's when I go travel, and you know, I'm saying unboxing, and I'm still doing all that. I need to go back and categorize a lot of my videos. There's still some work I need to do, but for the most part, I appreciate everybody for watching the videos. I appreciate, you know, people come up to me and say things. If you ever want to be in a vlog, hit me up. I'll come pull up where you at. You know what I'm saying? Again, it's complete, man. I'm happy. I celebrated it all yesterday. I plugged everything in. It came on. It looks wonderful. So I do need to go over there and clean and dust and stuff like that, but I still want to take a little picture because I was excited. So I throw a little picture up. The studio is complete. Thank you guys for watching. Again, I am Silk Living. And again, we living, baby. Stay safe.